Snoring is a very common problem. Out of 10 people, 5 people have the habit of snoring in the night. Even in the daytime also when they sleep, they snore. The snoring, the people who are snoring, they are not affected by the snoring. The people who are sleeping with them or sleeping in the same room or sleeping in the hall, they have been affected because of the sound. It's a nuisance problem. It is very difficult or it's delicate to inform the people also. To stop the snoring, Innora Biogenics first time had come out anti-snoring product. The brand name is Innora Calm Nap. This Innora Calm Nap is a Curvic, blended Curvic is blended mixed with essential oils. This Curvic, what happens when you attach it with your nose? No sleep when you attach it before you go to the bed. It regulates your breathing properly, one. Second thing, if there is any obstruction in the windpipe, it regulates that. Third thing is a nasal diffuser, so that any breathing problem, any obstruction, sleep apnea, if it there, it controls that. So the person, I won't say that patient is a disorder. The person who is having a snoring problem, what they have to do is, this is the Curvic nature of the blend, Calm Nap clip. This, what they have to do is, they have to simply take it out from the pouch. This is the Curvic nature Calm Nap. This is had to be simply applied in your nose. Simple, that's all. You can see it, I am wearing it. Before you go to the bed, you just apply like that 3 to 4 hours. Then you can remove it or you can attach it, no problem. It will not fall down. The moment you wear it, stopping your snoring. Second thing, your breathing problem will be addressed. Third thing, asthma problem if you have, that can be controlled. Fourth thing, no antibacterial, no virus can go inside in your nose and cause infection. So for a quality good sleep, for you as well as others, please use Calm Nap. Just curve. What you can do after that, you don't have to throw it out. This one curve nap, Calm Nap, will come for 15 days. Still you want to use after 15 days, we have a small bottle of drops, essential oil. That essential oil you can buy along with this. So you can add just 2 drops in the pouch. It's a Ziploc pouch. So that when you add it, another 15 days you can use it. So it will normally come for a month. It's a cost effective. It is a patented product. It is very safe. It will not cause any side effect. To stop snoring and also make other people, your close relations, close people to sleep very calmly and very peacefully, please use Calm Nap. Those who want Calm Nap, please contact the following numbers so that they can get the Calm Nap immediately.